Caretrust REIT Inc. CTRE Stock Analysis May 5th to August 1st. Overview. CTRE on the NYSE rose from $28.92 on May 5th to $31.99 on August 1, 2025, a 10.62% gain. This steady uptrend, driven by consistent volume and bullish technicals, suggests stability for this REIT. Let's dive into the price action, technical indicators, and strategies for traders and investors. Price action. May. Sideways with volatility. CTRE opened May 5th at $28.63, closing at $28.92 with 1.46 million shares. It peaked at $29.75 on May 7th, dipped to $27.72 on May 14th, down 1.1%, 1.30 million shares, and recovered to $29.36 on May 19th, 1.70 million shares, and $29.61 on May 20th, 2.42 million shares. May closed at $28.60, down 1.1%, with 1.06 million shares. Volume averaged 1.37 million. June. Consolidation and buildup. June started at $28.96, 1.51 million shares, with a low of $27.81 on June 16th. June 18th hit $29.88, up 2.4% with 3.87 million shares. June 20th reached $30.05, 3.80 million shares, and June 23rd peaked at $30.67, up 2.1% with 3.15 million shares. June closed at $30.60, up 0.1% with 2.57 million shares. July. Steady uptrend. July opened at $30.46, up 0.1% with 3.08 million shares. July 3rd hit $31, 0.77 million shares, and July 9th reached $30.97, 2.50 million shares. A dip to $30.29 on July 17th, 1.57 million shares, preceded a rally to $31.80 on July 31st, up 0.98% with 1.78 million shares. Volume averaged 1.86 million. August 1. Strong close. CTRE closed at $31.99, up 0.6%, with a high of $32.31, low of $31.605, and 1.66 million shares above the 1.76 million average. Technical indicators. Moving averages. Above 5-day SMA at 31,412, 20-day SMA at 39,685, 50-day SMA at 39,172, and 200-day SMA at 29,847. 5-day EMA 31,5810 and 20-day EMA 39,884 confirm bullishness. RSI 14, 65.83, nearing overbought but strong. Williams percent R 14, negative 15.24, near overbought, signaling caution. Stochastic oscillator percent K 15 at 71.61, percent D 15 at 69.09, percent K 5 at 80.11, percent D 5 at 70.20, showing strong momentum. MACD 0.4042, above signal 0.3369, histogram 0.0672, bullish. Arun oscillator 14, 71.43, strongly bullish, Arun up 100. ATR 14, 0.5871, 69-cent daily volatility. Beta 14, 1, market-aligned risk. Bollinger Bands, near upper band 319052, middle at 30,9685, lower at 30,003. Stretched but bullish. Volume 1.76 million average, with spikes of 3.87 million on June 18th, 3.80 million on June 20th, showing accumulation. What does it mean? CTRE's 10.62% rise reflects a steady uptrend supported by volume and strong technicals. MACD, ARUN, and moving averages confirm strength, but RSI 65.83 and Williams %R negative 15.24 suggests nearing overbought. Support at 30.9685 to 30.55, resistance at 32.31 to 32.50. Volume spikes indicate institutional interest, with beta 1.0 showing stable REIT behavior. What to do? Short term, hold above 31.99, target 32.31 to 32.50, stop below 30.9685. Watch RSI 70 or volume more than 2 million. Swing. Buy dips to 35.5 to 31.97 with volume more than 1.76 million. Aim to 32.50 to 33. Stop below 30.9685. Long term. Accumulate or pullbacks to 35.5 to 31. Target 33 to 34. Monitor REIT sector, interest rates, or earnings. Risk. Use ATR 0.59 for stops. Beta 1.0 suggests market-aligned risk, but REITs are rate-sensitive. Final word. CTRE's 10.62% gain from 28.92 to 31.99 shows steady bullishness, driven by volume and strong technicals. MACD, ARUN, and moving averages support the uptrend, but RSI and Williams %R suggest caution. Support at 30.9685 to 30.55, resistance at 32.31 to 32.50. Volume spikes indicate institutional interest. Is CTRE a stable winner? Watch volume, news, and RSI. Need more? Let me know.